Colton, what are you doing?
Making a pogo stick.
What is that?
A pogo stick.
A pogo stick?
Boing, boing, boing.
Where did you hear about pogo sticks?
Pogo stick. And the pogo stick. Boing, 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 boing.
That's not a pogo stick. Sorry.
That pogo stick.
No, it's a curtain rod. Shower curtain rod.
That pogo stick.
You're going to be very disappointed when you can't bounce on this. Say hi to the camera. Can you say hi? No? You're just going to knock it out of my hand?
Is that mine?
Say hello.